Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Diamond must support Apple CarPlay, and your iPhone needs a recent iOS. Plug in an Apple-certified USB, cable to the car's USB port, or initiate the wireless pairing procedure if supported. You must unlock your iPhone and allow the CarPlay prompt when it appears. This grants the car access. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on the phone so the system can negotiate services and transfer. Next, you choose CarPlay on the Diamond display or pick your iPhone from the vehicle's Bluetooth devices list. The screen will show connection progress. Allow the permission prompts for contacts, messages, maps, and Siri so apps work seamlessly. This step is why CarPlay asks access. If the display looks crowded, customize the app arrangement on your iPhone via Settings General CarPlay. Once configured, test Siri, audio, and navigation so you confirm everything routes through the car. Finish by running a quick checklist. Ask Siri a navigation query, play music, and confirm calls route through the Diamond speakers. If it won't connect, reboot your iPhone, try a different certified USB cable, or toggle the car's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off then on. These fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, remove the car from Settings General CarPlay and Repair, and ensure iOS is up to date. One key tip: swapping the cable often fixes intermittent wired CarPlay failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.